Hi. Hi. I'm going to some place that I can't tell you. It's top secret. Or maybe I just don't know what it's called yet until I look at my phone. But it's definitely top secret to them. Kevin! Frisbee. I slept outside last night because my allergies were really bad. I could not breathe, and we have a screen-in porch. And so I was like, you know what? We have furniture out there. We have a couch. I'm just gonna sleep outside like I'm camping. So Buddy and Rigby slept outside with me. I wore a couple hoodies, and it was actually really nice. I could hear the crickets. I might even do it again, except I want a sleeping bag. Can we buy a sleeping bag today? I want to buy a sleeping bag because I just had one blanket and it was kind of cold. I think a sleeping bag would be nice. Yeah. So the housekeepers clean the house, and we usually wait until they're done before we start streaming. And Chan fell asleep on the couch, and I had a bunch of packages from Amazon now that I ordered last night that I was going through. Things like books. And I was watching the news about what happened in Brussels, and then we just kind of decided not to stream. I think just the whole idea, or the whole, like, I've moved to this new place where I haven't seen everything yet. I really want to visit a lot of places, and it's hard to sit down and stream, especially when it's pretty outside. And I want to go walk along the lake or go see the bats that all like fly up. What are we doing that with your parents, by the way? Is that coming up?
Not for a while.
They got a boat, like they chartered a boat. We go on a boat with a bunch of people. Is that Cesar Chavez? Oh, it's the next one. But you get on a boat and they take you to this bridge where apparently like thousands, tens of thousands of bats fly on there. Last week we tried to go to the Hamilton pools, but it was totally crowded. We're gonna wait again, probably another week, when we're like, for sure everybody is done with spring break. So yeah, it's kind of hard for me to stream right now. There's so many things I want to see and do, and I haven't established. I've yet to establish my routine. So you know, maybe once all that's settled, I'll stream more, but it's really hard right now. There's too many new things to see and do and experience, and not to mention so many friends that live here. Well, let me get my visor ready because I'm old and I like to have sun protection, and I've already put on all my sunscreen. I need to get my visor on because Chance told me I look bad in hats, so we decided visors are better. Visors are better for me. You gotta protect your skin from the sun. Even if you look dorky, because nobody wants to get skin cancer, and I'm already probably like halfway there from all those years of surfing and not wearing sunscreen. Okay, I feel like everyone is on a bike. Like everyone, like we're supposed to be biking this, babe. Like, this is definitely where the cool kids go to bike. What's this called? It's Ladybird Trail. We are in Elwyn Forest. There we go. So brave. Oh my God, Rigby, you're disgusting. What are you doing? Like, what was your plan? What was his plan? What is your plan down there? What? Yeah? I'm just gonna keep my hair up or down. Okay. My dog is legit insane. Yeah, I'll get him in a second. Now he's disgusting. Rigby, come here, Rigby. Did you hear that lady? What are you gonna do? Rigby, you used to be friendly. Now you're like such a little shit. Okay. Babe, we can rent bikes up there and they have baskets we could just put Rigby in and Kevin could just run.
No.
Look at him. You just get one.
No.
I mean, how cute would that be?
So cute.
Really? You don't want to ride a bike?
No.
Do you not, wait, do you not know how to ride a bike?
I'm very good at riding bikes actually. I'm just tired.
Are you sure? I actually had a friend who doesn't know how to ride a bike. What are you doing? Rigby, come back. Come back. I'm gonna stand on your leash so you can't attack this lady while I turn on Map My Run. Okay. I don't know how he just did that. Chance! Rigby just pulled this thing off.
Rigby.
I just want to turn on my Map My Run.
Okay.
Rigby. This is so hard. You know what? This is why vloggers don't have dogs. Oh, there's people. Rigby, don't you hear a drink about it? Apparently, how did you do that? This just goes right over your head. Rigby has like the most awkward dog body where it's like he's not a size extra small.
Yeah, he's weird.
And because he has such a broad, I don't know what you call this, torso, but his neck is small. I don't want to. All right, I think you should not. I think you should be good there. There's so many bikes you can rent, Chance.
Mm-hmm.
You the poop things? Okay. It's so pretty down here.
Wow, look at all these nice muscular men with no shirts on running at us.
Oh my gosh, I know, right? Look at. Maybe Rigby will bark it all up. Are you gonna zoom in on them?
Yeah. Oh my god. Wow.
Let's see.
There you go. Hello. Did Rigby just... Rigby did not like him at all. Here, take your...
One guy said what's up and then Rigby just attacked.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy's on the paddleboard, so you can get paddleboard somewhere. Okay, this is totally, when I take days off, my one day off a week, this is the area I'm gonna be at. I'm gonna be doing something down here.
Got it.
Alright, oh my god, look at that dog. That's a little puppy Pomeranian.
It looks like a ball of like dust, like a little flower.
And you know what it looks like?
Broke off.
It looks like something's got shaved off of Kevin's butt.
Yeah, it
You know,
does.
that's where his fur is the lightest.
Yep, like a...
Look at that, look at the fur color.
Yep. It's like his little tumor. Just popped off.
Hey, what's this? What's this? Are these hammocks? Babe, you want to lie in a hammock? Why would they put a hammock though, like, where you don't have a view of the lake? That makes no sense. Are you gonna know what this is, Chance? This is actually an athletic course. Are you ready?
Don't do it, please.
Why?
Don't want you to trip, hit your head.
I'm not gonna trip. You don't think I could run through this?
You can do it, but I think you might trip on accident.
Oh my god, Phil, I'm an athlete. Rigby, you wanna come too? I'm not gonna do you. I could do this. I can't believe you don't think I can do this. Okay, ready? Shut. 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 Oh my God, film. I'm an athlete. I could do this. I can't believe you don't think I can do this.
Rigby?
Rigby!
Oh no.
Rigby's... Oh, this Rigby's nice.
And she's a Wheaten Terrier for the best.
Oh, a Wheaten Terrier. I never even seen those. Who's older?
He is.
He is?
Yeah, he's my old grumpy man.
How old is he?
5.
5? And how old is she?
3.
Oh, he's just 1.
Oh, he's still a puppy. My goodness.
Yeah. That's why he doesn't... Oh, there. The other one's Kevin. He's nice. He's a Border Collie Lab mix, though. If he runs up and says hi, they should be okay. Hi. Rigby, did you meet some friends, huh? He likes dogs and one likes... Rigby, come. You know about that one. Come on. Come here. All the other dogs are meeting each other. Rigby, come here. Oh, look at it. He's actually really cute running around with them. You're really cute. You know that? You're so cute and friendly, except to people. You don't like people, but you love doggies. You love doggies, don't you? Look at him go. Look at him go. Doggies. Come on, Rigby. Oh, I'm all sweaty. Just so everyone knows, I didn't fall because I'm obviously an excellent athlete. I'm a little bit sweaty, and I'm also kind of itchy now because of the grass, but I fell because it's kind of windy. As you can see, look at those trees blowing in the wind. And seriously, right where my foot was landing, you know, coming down, the hammock got blown right into it. I swear that's what happened. I'm an athlete, okay? It's not like that was hard. Look at it. Look at how they're blowing right now. I'm an athlete. Look at how much they're blowing. Of course. I didn't have enough time to adjust. Kevin, right? Kevin, sit. Kevin, sit if I am telling the truth. Thank you. Thank you. You saw it here first. Kevin agrees. There's so many wildflowers too. See, Austin's not that bad, Chance. When you take me to places like this, it makes me feel like, oh, we made good choices. Like I'm okay with this. You just have to take me places, you know? I'm like a border collie. If you don't take them out on walks, they get like really neurotic and crazy. But that's why I have Blue. I love Blue. She lives here, but she still has 1 semester of school left. No. There's so many squirrels. Wow, I shake a lot. Note to self, Leah should always have a beer before manning a camera. Sorry, come here. The delirium tremens. I'm joking. So this is the Congress Bridge. Is this the bridge, Chance, where the cave is?
Maybe, I don't know.
It's not. I wish he knew things. Like, damn. Grew up here his whole life. Can't answer any of the questions. The next TwitchCon is in San Diego, and I'm well informed about San Diego, so if anybody knows, this guy. Wait, what is it? So Ann Richards Congress Avenue Bridge is up that way. Is everything good? With all these little poodles? Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Rigby, look at this. Come on. They're cute though. Wow. Wow, Rigby. How does it feel to be bigger? So I guess that, so where do the bats live?
Under it.
Really? The bats are just all up underneath it. Rigby, is that, maybe that's why Rigby's smelling so much stuff. It's all the bat guano. Okay. Oh my God, I already hear it. This really is it. It's happening. So it's as the sun goes down. How tiny, wait, let me take off my sunglasses. How tiny are these things? Are they up in the cracks?
I'm guessing so.
Bat piss. It's like where they all piss. I can hear them. Ew, there's more bat piss right there, I bet. Chance, are they going to there too? I think they do. Oh wait, what's that? Is that one? I think in this big crack I could see a little face. Yeah. There he is. There's one right there. I think. I'll have to look at it when I get home. You see that though? On the far left, is that like a little, there's a couple faces peeking out?
Maybe, I don't know.
And then when you look at it, do you think like all that stuff is just like bat piss? Like that's where their pee-pee kind of drips out? Like they all pee-pee at the same spots?
Yes.
Oh my God. So right here is probably the worst spot to be standing at sunset. It's like probably disgusting. Rigby, you would go insane. You're cute. Ew. So they all just live in here. Oh yeah, do you think they live down there, Chance?
No.
No? Huh, I can hear them. Chance is mad at me because I've taken him on one other hike. And I don't really know much about this trail that we're on. I mean, it's just, I know it's flat, so I know it can't be that hard, right? And he's mad because he says that this is too long. We've probably only been walking for, I don't know, 30 minutes on what's probably flat land. And he's very grumpy and mad. Instead of enjoying, you know, the fact that his dog is loving life right now, enjoying all the smells and sights and the sun. So I am being punished with silent treatment right now. Chance, I would go on these ones. I need a basket for Rigby to go on. No, we would definitely have to use those other ones that we saw. The ones with the little motor. I know, I don't want to do that one. And plus look at it, such a bad choice to have black seats in the sun. Burn your ass right off. Oh, I do see that building. That's pretty.
The Frost Bank building?
Yeah, is that what it is? The one that's kind of like an icicle?
Yeah. That's Frost Bank.
Frost Bank?
Yeah. It's a bank.
What, do you use them?
I used to before I moved to Michigan. That was my bank.
Is that like an Austin only bank?
Texas.
Hi puppy, what type of dog is that?
Australian cattle dog and dingo.
Oh wow, I guess a dingo in there.
Size?
Just about, yeah. She's
Oh my
only 4
goodness.
months, so she'll grow a little bit.
Oh, what a cutie.
What type of dogs do you have?
This is a Shih Tzu Poodle Chihuahua, and this is a Border Collie Lab.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Hi,
They're
girl.
cute.
Hi, girl.
I almost got an Australian cattle dog.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I didn't have the dingo with him, but
Yeah.
oh, I just love the coast they have. It's just so cool looking.
Just now we just ran into a Beagle Border Collie mix. Like we're just running into all these interesting
I know, yeah.
different mixed breeds right now.
There you go.
Bye,
Cute
kitty.
dog.
Have a good day.
You too.
It's always funny how some people are always just like dogs always want to meet each other. I like them because that's just dogs. You know? Maybe they're just antisocial. Like those other people that grab their dogs and they like keep walking fast. was like, finally.
Yeah.
Good? Good? No? It's so funny like how much more the big dog, like Kevin needs to drink compared to him.
No.
Alright, let's go.
No problem.
You wanna race Kevin and see who's faster? No. Now you got some waters, and we're gonna go to the dog park. You could run around with some other doggies, and we got a ball. And then we'll go get some lunch at a dog-friendly lunch place. I know, that's why I want to get a trainer and just like have Buddy become one of these two. Like even Rigby's was bad, but only at first. Now that Rigby's realized that we're out and like, oh, there's just new people everywhere. It's whatever. Nope, Rigby. Another bird outruns you again.
Got away this time.
One day. We'll see another bird along the way, I'm sure. He can go off leash for a bit. Huh? I won't see a doogie.
It's a matter of you saw the 2 police officers drive by, right?
Where?
Just a second ago.
There's police officers?
They just rode by.
Really?
They're by 6.
Rigby, the popo.
They patrol.
Rigby, come here.
Fined if you have
The popo. You know what, Rigby? If you would have caught it, it would have been worth the fine, okay? I would have had it taxidermied and everything. But until then, you just gotta stick to catching all the flies and moths in the house. Until then, baby cakes, that's all you got. But I'm not taxiderming that shit. Maybe I should. Do you think we should start doing that? All the moths and flies that, you know how Rigby always kills them and just leaves them on the ground? Like, you know how people have those, there's like a frame and then you just pin the dead insect to it?
Yep.
We should have like a, we should start doing that for all of Rigby's kills. Oh, there's some angry birds right there. But why is it always this shallow right here? I mean, it just rained a lot. I triple dog dare you to jump down there. Ew.
Now I have to do it.
Ew. That must be one of those fishing areas, but it's like, yeah, it's like designated fishing area, but I mean, how big of a fish are you gonna catch next to that thing? Well, like, oh, this is a pretty shot. Look at, it's like, look at the, wait, is that it for Austin? Babe, is that it as far as like the Austin's like skyline goes?
No.
Oh, there's more?
No.
Oh, wait.
Everyone.
In case you guys didn't know what everyone points out. Wait, Chance. So I gotta point it out. Look at it. Hold on. If I could do this right, I could take off my sunglasses and look it through the eyeball. Hold on. Where is it? It's. Everyone points it out. It's not the tallest one, right? It's the blue one. Okay, yeah.
One with spikes.
Everyone points it out. But then the other one's so much bigger. What's in that?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, everyone points out that one. Everyone. I mean, it's just an apartment building. It looks like just like the Omni Towers in San Diego, where the Omni Towers look similar. The Omni Towers.